Hey guys, today I'm checking out this 1.2 cubic foot fireproof safe that I received for reviewing purposes, and I think that it can be a real game changer for your office, your home, or wherever you place it. Okay?
It is rated to withstand 1400 Fahrenheit degrees for up to 30 minutes thanks to its fireproof plaster layer and alloy steel latch. If something catches fire, your documents, jewelry, or even cash are going to be protected. With an internal size of about 15 by 11.2 by 11.2 inches, it can fit legal documents, passports, cash, and even small gadgets. And the shelf is removable so that way you can organize all your stuff. The access is through the digital keypad, and you even get 2 backup keys in the case that you forget the code that you made. And if someone tries to brute force it by entering the wrong code 5 times, the alarm will sound for around 20 seconds and the safe will lock out for 3 minutes. The door can swing open up to 240 degrees, giving easy access, and there's a built-in interior light that is perfect for grabbing all your stuff in low light ambience. And if you want added safety, it includes some pre-drilled holes and 4 expansion bolts so that way you can secure it upon the wall or in any case the floor.
So this safe is solid, secure, and I think that it's really practical. It can be perfect for protecting all your important items in your office or in your home, whatever you need it. It may not be the largest safe out there, but I think that it has enough space so you can secure all your important stuff in it without running out of space. The alarm system, I think that it's nice, and also the steel latch gives it a really more, well, peace of mind wherever you place it. So overall, I think that it's great, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.